Hello everyone, this is Emily from the Athol Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own hemp bracelet. So to complete this project, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need 2 pieces of hemp cord. We're going to need some wooden beads. These are optional, but I think they add a nice flair. Some tape or maybe a clipboard instead, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our 2 pieces of hemp cord and fold them in half. I'm going to bring the middles together so that we have 2 loops together at the end. So I'm going to pinch about 1 inch below our loops there. I'm going to bring them all the way around these now 4 strings that we have here. And this will make a circle. We're going to put our loops, both of them at the same time, through that circle together. So once we have those, we're going to pull them as tight as we can, and that's going to form a nice loop there and a knot 1 inch or so down our string, and that's going to be the start of our bracelet. Our next step is to grab our tape or our clipboard, and we're going to tape this to the top of our workspace. The next thing we're going to do is separate out our cords. So we're going to take 1 on either side and 2 in the middle. So these 2 here are going to be our base cords. We're going to take another piece of tape and loosely tape these down. We want to be able to get underneath them, so don't make them too tight. These cords on the side are going to be our knotting cords. First step of our knot is to take one side of the cord and bring it under our base cords and over the other knotting cord. Then you're going to grab the other side and bring it over our base and underneath or through this loop that we just formed on the other side. We're going to pull both the ends all the way up to the top of our knot here, and that's the first half of our knot. So in order to make our square knot stay flat instead of spiraling, the next step is to do the same thing but starting on the other side. So we just did a knot on this side, so now we're going to do one on the other one. We're going to take our cord, go underneath and over, and then take our other cord and go over and under. Pull it all the way up to the top. Ready? One more time. We're going to take our cord and go under and over. And take our other end. We're going to go over the middle and under. So every time we do this, it makes a loop around our base cords using our knotting cords. So there will be one on the top and one underneath. And when we pull them tight, we'll bring our knot to the top. We're going to keep going with this process until we are ready to add our beads. So if you want to add a bead, you just need to make sure that the bead that you choose has a big enough hole that we can fit both of the base cords in it at once. So what we're going to do is gently remove this tape, put it aside so we can use it again. We're going to get the ends of our base cords together. I like to slide them through at the same time. And then we're just going to pull it up to the very bottom of our last knot. And then we are going to replace our tape. And then we're going to continue knotting in the same way that we were. And the knot should form right around our bead. Bring that knot up. It will go right around the bead and hold it in place. So when you think your bracelet is long enough, it's very simple to end. We're gonna pop the tape off. And then we're gonna take all 4 strings together and make one big knot, just like the knot that we did at the beginning. Pull it tight and try to make sure it goes up close to the end of where you were. And I'm gonna grab my pair of scissors and cut off these extra strings. And there you have it, nice new hemp bracelet.